Welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. My name is Aaron. Very important, before we begin, take 2 seconds, smash the like button, make sure you watch the entire video. I have multiple stories, massive pieces of news to share with you, including altcoin news, high cap, mid cap, low cap, so much to talk about, so little time. Let's start right here. But again, I encourage you to check the timestamps below because there's so much information that you need to know about. Bitcoin company Bakkt. As we know, Bakkt is a big deal in the traditional financial world. Bakkt has ties to the New York Stock Exchange. While once they were only offering Bitcoin for years, Bitcoin company Bakkt will now also offer Ethereum to customers. Users of the Bakkt app and custody service will soon be able to deal with Ethereum. Obviously, this is huge for Ethereum and the Ethereum ecosystem. I think the bigger takeaway is it's just good business to offer both. People want Bitcoin, people want Ethereum. And unless you're Bitcoin only for ideological reasons, plenty of quality companies like that, like Swan, like Fold, like Lolly, unless you're like that, then the future is multi-coins. For instance, major news coming out of Grayscale, they have now confirmed that they are exploring Terra and Avalanche investment product funds or offerings. The key takeaways are as follows. Grayscale is exploring adding Terra and Avalanche to its range of investment products. The Luna and AVAX token could benefit from the news. Both the assets are currently trading below crucial resistance. A spike in buying pressure behind Luna and AVAX could help them rise to new all-time highs. A very bullish article regarding Terra and Avalanche. Let me know your thoughts on all of this in the comments below. Seems to me to be major green flags for those assets. And let's get to some other news. Crypto.com gets a major boost. Crypto.com coin hits all-time high after listing from rival Coinbase. CRO peaked at just below 30 cents one day after trading began on Coinbase. So we're seeing both Coinbase, Crypto.com, FTX, all these exchanges making major partnerships with sports teams, with media companies. And the fact that Crypto.com, their asset is now listed on Coinbase, that's actually really good for both of them. And just generally speaking, my friends, do you realize if you've been in cryptocurrency, if you've been subscribed to us specifically for a while, I hope that you're doing rather well. Let's talk about projects that we talk about almost multiple times a week on this channel, which have all been hitting all-time highs. Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot have all recently set all-time highs as the crypto market tops 2.9 trillion. Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot, everybody who ever bought and held was in profit when this happened. I mean, we've literally been talking about Polkadot since it first launched to the public. What else? Well, AVAX hit an all-time high recently. Luna hit an all-time high recently. Elrond, again, another project that we've been talking about since the very beginning. We had the founder of this project back on our channel back in 2020 for an interview before anybody knew anything about Elrond, and it recently hit an all-time high. Everybody who ever bought and held Elrond is in profit. Elrond enters price discovery mode with a target now of $440. Remember when it was like $15, right? Point is, guys, crypto is the fastest appreciating asset class in human history. It's not timing the market, it's time in the market. We will see thousands of new crypto millionaires created this cycle. I'm sure you're realizing this. Maybe it's already happened to you. Maybe you're going for $1 billion. Maybe you're going for $100,000. This number's arbitrary. The fact is there's tons of opportunity in this space. And you can invest in the quote-unquote blue chips. The blue chips, the Ethereums, the Solanas, the Polkadots, the Elronds, the blue chips within different verticals, like the NFT blue chips, the DeFi blue chips. Or what you can do is maybe you're a trader. Maybe you're making money off those meme coins, which people do. The next meme coin is, let me know what you think the answer to this is in the comments below. And let's get to some low cap altcoin news. Little Pump, I'm going to educate you on this. Little Pump royalty shares sell out in 2 hours via OPULOUS partnership, raising $500,000. So maybe you've heard about OPULOUS. We've referenced it a few times on this channel before. This is how it works. Last month, we reported that blockchain-powered financial platform OPULOUS had partnered with rapper Little Pump and EDM star KSHMR to let fans invest in the artist's music via crowdfunding platform Republic. This is how it works. Through the offering of security NFTs, SNFTs, a term coined by Republic to describe a non-fungible digital asset offered and sold as a security, as defined by the Securities Act, users are able to invest directly in artists' music for as little as $100 via Republic's platform. As part of the first wave of releases, Lil Pump offered fans the chance to invest in his single Mona Lisa featuring Soulja Boy, produced by Jimmy Duvall, and owners of the NFTs will receive royalties every time the song is streamed across streaming platforms or played on the radio, TV, movies, or video games. So major win for Lil Pump and Soulja Boy, major win for OPULOUS. I'm an investor in OPULOUS, and I'm happy to see news like this. It's a lower cap coin, but I like it. Let's talk about lower cap coins within the blue chip dApp platform projects. Before we get to that, my question to you is, have you gotten a credit card that gives you Bitcoin back on every purchase yet? The best in the game, in my opinion, is our sponsor's card, BlockFi. Earn an unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every single purchase. 0 annual fee, huge differentiator, no foreign transaction fees. See if you're pre-approved with 0 impact to your credit score. This is the card to have. I like it. Many people in our audience have this card. Use it every day. Chipotle, buying Bitcoin, groceries, dry cleaning, anything. Bitcoin back on every purchase. And this opportunity will not last forever. 3.5% back during your first 3 months of using this card. 1.5% back on every purchase. 2% back if you make big purchases forever. And if you trade in a BlockFi account, you can earn 0.25% on all eligible trades. This is the card to have, my friends. BlockFi.com/altcoindailycc. 0 impact to your credit score. Use the link in the description. Check it out now. Perfect for a Christmas gift to yourself. Solana, FTX, and many partners have just launched a 100 million Web3 gaming fund. Key takeaways are as follows. Representatives affiliated with the fund says that Solana's high-speed, low-cost capabilities could help crypto gaming thrive. The initiative has already directed $21 million to a Solana-based gaming project launching next month. Question is, while there's 100 million going into all of these games, what's the one specific gaming project they're talking about? Well, the company is Faraway. Faraway raises 30 million for Solana-based NFT browser games, and the game in question is Mini Royale Nations, Solana's first online multiplayer game, backed by Andreessen, backed by FTX, backed by Solana Labs. Speaking about blue chip DeFi chains, AAVE teases cross-chain Layer 2 plans in its version 3 proposal. The decentralized lending protocol is planning new features for its next upgrade. Key takeaways are as follows. AAVE has announced the next update to its DeFi lending protocol, version 3, and the features that will accompany it. The upgrade will most notably include support for multiple blockchains and support for Layer 2 networks. It will also include various improvements related to user experience, risk management, and the token listing process. AAVE is a blue chip. If all goes well with this, I suspect it will become even better to use and more valuable. In other news, this is interesting. Coinbase confirms it's launching a subscription service with 0 fees. So right now, when you trade on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, you pay a small fee. If you sign on to their subscription service, a monthly subscription or whatever it is, you'll be able to trade with 0 fees. So if you're interested in that, keep that on your radar. Speaking of exchanges, Binance says it's trying to find the scammers behind the Squid Games token. Crypto exchange Binance has said it is trying to hunt down the scammers behind the infamous Squid Games cryptocurrency. And we all remember when that happened live to one of our favorite streamers.
The market cap is $2.168 trillion. And now the market, oh, it went to 0. Oh!
That's it from me today, my friends. Smash the likes, comment your thoughts below, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, I'll see you tomorrow.